Hello guys, I'm IK and you are watching my channel Encapsulate by IK. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get an updated notification. Please do like and comment so that we can receive your feedback. So today we are unboxing another G-Shock. So the model number of this G-Shock is GA-140-4ADR and the module number is 5612. So inside the box, as you know, we got a user guide and a warranty card. So Casio module number for this user guide is 5612 and 5613. This user guide comes again in multi languages, which will give information about the watch and its functions. The second thing we got inside the box is Casio-GShock International Warranty Card. As you can see, inside the paper box, we got a Casio metallic box, G-Shock since 1983. Water resist till 20 bar. A beautiful metallic box, this time in metallic gray color, as you can see. Let's open the box. So inside the box we got a beautiful G-Shock in dark gray and red color. So the combination of this watch is really great and it looks very beautiful in a dark gray and red color. Again, the quality of this watch is very nice. Again, comes with a tough resin band. If you see the face of the watch, it's in dark gray color with inner circular ring in red color, rigid black buttons. Very beautiful watch. From the back side you can see the metallic plate, which gives you an overview of the model number GA-140, stainless steel back, and this Casio is produced in Thailand. Mineral glass, it's 200-meter water resist, gives you a functionality of 29 time zones to set the time as per your convenient and the resident of the city. If you can see closer, you can see an analog and two digital places where you can see the time and the day and the month. A very beautiful color combination from the inside as well. The dial is really beautiful, as you can see. So let's have a closer look. So a very beautiful dark gray and red color, a very nice combination. The price range of this watch is around 150 to 200 US dollars. A very tough, durable and nice watch. You can wear this watch casually. So a very beautiful watch. Hope you like today's video. Please do provide your comments so that we can receive your feedback. So signing off. Bye bye.